when it came to the audit prep for SOC 2, in what part of the process for SOC 2, right? So Scrut actually reduced friction and made your job easier.
The great part about it was like color by numbers. Step one, step two, at least those are the updates I would get from my team. We had many of the policies and documents already in place, but there's a certain way of following that paradigm to get to the certification. So it was really a step by step process, and that we love. I'd say I was at first. Initially, there were team members on our committee who were saying we can just do it ourselves, and just using the existing tool. But I'm glad we went with professionals, picked the platform. It just made it very, very painless.